Okay. So mod x square plus mod x minus 6. So see the mod itself is a variable for you. So you can take this as say y square plus y minus 6. Now here what you need to do is like what you will find out is basically your d for this is b square, which is 1 minus 4ac, which is minus 4 into a into c. So what am I doing? I'm finding discriminant. So 1 into minus 6, which is 25. Okay. So I can find the roots as well. So what will happen is that this is greater than 0. So I'll have two distinct roots for y. So for y, I will have two distinct roots. But what is y? Y is actually mod x, right? So we'll have to, in such cases, what you do is you shouldn't be actually doing this, but rather trying to find out the actual root because that is what will decide what it is. So you find the actual it is y square plus 3y minus 2y minus 6 equals to 0, or y plus 3 minus 2 times y plus 3 would be equal to 0. Then y minus 2 and this will be y plus 3, right? So y will be equal to 2 and minus 3, right? Now y is 2 and y is minus 3, but actually we know that mod x can never be negative. So I have to ignore this minus 3. So now mod x is gonna be equal to only 2, which means that x is gonna be equal to plus minus 2. Okay. So the thing is that the sum of the root is 1. So they're asking various things which we'll try to figure out. So what are our roots here? My root is only plus minus 2. Now we'll try to find out everything using this. The sum of the roots is 1, which is not the case, which is 0. There is only one root, which is also not right, which is wrong. There are four roots, which is wrong. The sum of the roots is 0, which is correct. So D is the only one which is correct. You might get confused if you look at this with that, okay, y I've got two values, so then mod x will have four values, and that's the reason that some people will say this is four roots, and then you could get confused. But as the issue is that y is, we had taken y as the mod x can never be negative, so this has to be ignored. This is a wrong solution which we have got. Mod x can never be equal to minus 3.